person like me, it's pretty annoying to have to pick up each and every app individually from my phone's screen and moving them to a folder, or deleting them from the home screen. That's honestly the only feature I wanted my OnePlus 5 to steal from MIUI. While that hasn't happened, it looks like someone at HMD Global sure had similar feelings, because the Nokia X6 comes with the ability to select multiple apps at the same time. If you've never used a Xiaomi phone before, you might not be able to appreciate the user-friendliness of this relatively small feature, so let me tell you how this simple feature can make it a lot easier to keep your home screen organized. Moving apps to folders. With multiple apps select on the home screen in the Nokia X6, it's easier than ever to just pick up multiple apps and place them into a folder. See the GIF below? That's how simple it is to move all the Google apps into a Google folder with multiple apps select. Without this feature, I'd have to individually drag and drop these apps into the folder, which can get really annoying really quickly. Removing apps from the home screen. The ability to select multiple apps at the same time is also helpful if, instead of moving apps into a folder, I am trying to remove apps from the home screen instead. After all, a cluttered home screen isn't something I like, and if you feel the same way, this is a feature you'd also appreciate. After using the Nokia X6, I am kind of annoyed that the OnePlus 5 I use as my daily driver doesn't have this tiny, but hugely useful feature on it. Selecting multiple apps is awesome. Honestly, the ability to select multiple apps is pretty awesome and I love it. It makes clearing up the home screen easier than ever before and is the kind of feature you won't fully appreciate until you've used it. That said, I do wish there were some additional capabilities here. Uninstalling multiple apps from the home screen at the same time could be been a thing on the Nokia X6 and I would love that. Also, I wish the multiple app select feature was available inside the app drawer as well. Wouldn't that make app management a breeze? Well, here's hoping HMD Global improves this feature even further, and OnePlus starts building it into Oxygen OS. In the meantime, I'll curse my phone while moving each and every app individually across the home screen.